That was a cutoff, okay. Dum-dum. You bastards. You're gonna run the red. You just ran the red. Masshole. While you're braking, the light is green. Because you're gonna do something stupid like dive into... What the fuck was that for? I thought they were gonna dive into the parking lot. You were in the red. I don't think there's a left turn. No, there's no left turn out of there, even if you are a fire engine, because you don't have your emergency lights on. What the hell? Thanks. Psycho 409-945. That's it. Thank you. Thank you so much. So it was a cutoff, and so far to go. Jesus. Thank you. Thank you, Subadoosh. Wait a minute. I don't know why they stopped, because those two just ran the red light. Just stay. Staying aside of the road, thank you. Maybe stop or something? I'm not sure. Whatever. E-R-P, that spells derp, yeah. Derp. Don't hit me. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Nitwit. Thanks, Bim. And you're gonna run it, and oh yeah, Subadoosh. There we go again. Run the red? Yeah, okay, thank you. And let's cut off, you dumbass. And you're in the wrong lane, so you cut it off. Okay. You sightseeing lady, for fuck's sake. Yeah, okay. stop. You sure as hell didn't stop. God damn it. Slow down. Slow down. Don't cut him off. You Hello, dum-dum. Hello. Asshole. What the hell are you doing? Cutting off. That was a cutoff. I don't know why I had to say it was a cutoff, because it's kind of plainly obvious, you know. Well, maybe if you... Jesus Christ. You just sit there all day fucking toy retard. Go faster next time, lady, you know?